Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with coordinates by Frappy. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have friendly cages. So some of these cells are surrounded by dotted lines. Those are called cages. Those are just demarcating cells that follow a specific property. That property is that its digit matches either its row number, its column number, its box number, or its relative position within that box. So let's go over what all of those are. So the row number, these are the rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this match it, these all match right now. So they'd all technically have to be surrounded by dotted lines. But I could mix these up like that. And then now these two cages are matching their column number. Sorry, they're matching their row number. These are the column numbers, 1 through 6, left to right. Works similarly. Box numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So left to right, then top to bottom. And then relative position within boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Same way that we read, read left to right, then top to bottom. So that's how we number the rows, columns, boxes, and relative position in the boxes. And the cells that have dotted lines around them have to have a digit that matches at least one of those. Now, additionally, all of the cages are given, which means that, for example, this cannot be a 1. So if this was a 1, it matches its box number. And matching your box number requires you to have a cage, and it does not have a cage. So there is a negative constraint. All the cages are given. So definitely pay attention to that. I'm sure it's needed. So yeah, those are the rules. I'm told this is more of a boss battle, and I thought that would be appropriate for 301. Riftclan was not able to construct one for 301, so I picked a boss battle instead to celebrate hitting 301, which is amazing. So there's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay. As annoying as it sounds, I'm going to pencil every possible digit that can go in each of these friendly cells. So it could match its row or column or box, which is 1, or position, which is 1. So this can only be a 1. Its row and column are both 2. Its box is 1, but it can't be a 1 anymore. And its relative position is 5. This one can't match its row. Its column is 5. This guy's column is 6. This guy's column is 4. The box is all 2. And the relative position is 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here, these all share a row, which is row 4. They all share a box, which is box 3. This is column 1, column 2, column 3. And relative positions are 4, 5, and 6. Okay. These all share row 3. They are in box 4. This is column 5 and 6. And then relative position 2 and 3. This isn't taking too long. These are all row 5. These are all row 6. Maybe I should do it this way. This is column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. So we got the rows and columns. These both are in box 5. These all 3 are in box 6. Relative position is 3, 4, 5. Relative position is 1, 2, and 6. So this can only be 6, of course. Should have seen that right from the start, but that's okay. Oops, I was in color mode. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, the corners can only be 1 and 6. That makes sense. All right. I don't know that I want to enforce the negative constraint right now, but let's see if we can find anything interesting with just these positive pencil marks. We need a 6 over here. 6 does not break row, column, box, or positioning for either of those, so that's fine. I need a 1 down here. That doesn't break anything. Okay. Here's the thing. We can at least think about boxes, right? None of these can be 4 because otherwise they would match the box number. So these are 4s. 4 goes here. None of these can be 3. So the 3 goes down here. None of these can be 2. None of these can be 5. 5's in one of these two. And the 6 is placed in this box. I'm wondering about columns. I'm looking at column 2, so one of these two is a 3 for sure. One of these two is a 4. One of these is a 5. We have the 6. row 2. Ah, these are the only two that can be 3 for row 3. So this has to be a 3-4 pair, right? Because the 3 and the 4 need to go over here. These can't be 3s and these can't be 4s. So for the row, these are the only ones that can be 3. And for the box, these are the only ones that can be 4. So this is a 3-4 pair for sure. Does that help? Not sure. Now row 4, the 4 definitely goes down here. We know that from Sudoku as well. Row 5 is here. We have the 6. We do row columns, boxes, box positioning. Well, let's think about this box actually, because we need 1, 2, 5, 6 remaining. Now this can't be a 1 because it would match its box position. 2, 3. This can't be 4. This can't be 5, and this can't be 6. Not as nice as I hoped. It does put the 1 down here. We actually kind of knew the 1 was down here if we look at our pencils. Puts the 1 up here. So these are also from 1, 2, 5, 6. That can't be 1. That can't be 2. This can't be 3. I know I need a 3-4 pair down here. I'm not sure how helpful that is. Okay, is there anything else I can do here? Ah, this is a 2-5 pair. So that can't be 5. That can't be 2 or 5. This is our 3-4 pair. So that's a 6. Very nice. That's a 1. Okay, that's not a 6. This is a 2-5 pair. That puts a 6 there. Nice. That 2-5 pair, I mean, was really nice. This is 3, 4, 6, it looks like. I don't need these corner marks. I don't need those corner marks. This is a 2-5 pair, so that's a 1. That's a 1. We're left with 3, 4, and 6. So the 6 in this column can only go here. And so this is 3 or 4. Yeah. Something I noticed is that the box positioning matches the columns here. So these box positions all match the column. So the box position you don't have to look at for those, because you already looked at the column. Do I have any other like pairs sitting around that I didn't notice? Let's see. I did notice this can't be 3 because it's position 3 in the box. So 3 has to go down here. Can this be a 3? I think it can be. All right, more to find. Let's think about this row, because this row needs a... Oh, because this isn't a pair. We need 2, 3, 4, 5. None of that's super exciting for the negative constraint, so I don't know if I want to do that right now. 6 in this column. There we go. This 6 is here. This 6 is here. So that's a 6. That is not a 6. That's a 3-4 pair. That places the 6 here. I think 6s are done. They are. Oh, 1. 1 can be placed here. Maybe we should have looked at 1s and 6s earlier. 1 in this column. Yeah, there's only one more 1 to place. It goes there. Okay. The 2 definitely goes over here for the row. Does that help me? We know this can't be 5, so it's not 1. It could be 2, could be 3, could be 4. Can't be 5 or 6. This can't be 4. It's in position 4 of its box. So 4 in this box can only go here. That's a 3. That's a 4. This is 2, 3, or 5. Okay. This can be 4. I was thinking about whether 4 could go here, but I think it can. How about this cell? This is not a 4. This is position 4 and column 4. So the 4 in this box goes over here. Oh, no, this 4 looks in. This can't be a 4. So the 4 goes there. The 3 goes there. This is 3 and 4. Okay, this is 2 and 5 and 3. Nice. 5, 3, 2, 2, 4. This for the row is a 5. This for the whichever pick one. This is a 4. This is 2, 3, or 5, but not 3. So 2 or 5. So 3 in this box goes there. Deet, deet, doot. This is 2 or 5. Okay, one of these doesn't match the negative constraint. Which one is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This, oh no, this one, yeah, this one could be 2 or 5. This one could be 2 or 5. How does this resolve? I hope I didn't make a mistake somewhere. Okay. Row is 1, column is 4, box is 2. Box is 2. There we go. This can't be a 2. So that's a 5, that's a 2, that's a 2, 5, 5, 2. All right. 41.3. Is that some sort of coordinate? All right. GPS coordinate, maybe? Cool. Nice puzzle, Frappy. Yeah, this was a nice use of the friendly cells variant, a variant of the friendly cells variant, actually. Probably adapted for 6x6. Very neat. I enjoyed the puzzle. I hope you did too. Let me know how you did on it. And if you did enjoy the content, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.